जाने माने कलाकार ने बयां किया अपने बेटे को खोने का दर्द। बेटे की आत्महत्या के लिए आज भी है कलाकार को एक सदमा। तमाम कोशिशों के बाद भी नहीं बचा पाए थे बेटे की जान। कौन है ये कलाकार और क्या है पूरी खबर, आइए आपको बताते हैं। बॉलीवुड के दमदार एक्टर कबीर बेदी अपने करियर से ज्यादा अपनी शादियों को लेकर चर्चा में बने रहे हैं। लोगों का मानना है कि कबीर बेदी एक मस्त मौला और खुश रहने वाले इंसान हैं। लेकिन कबीर बेदी के जीवन के उस मोड़ के बारे में बेहद ही कम लोग जानते होंगे जिसने कबीर को तोड़ कर रख दिया था। आज आपको बताते हैं ऐसे ही एक घटना के बारे में जिसने उनकी जिंदगी में तूफान ला दिया था। दरअसल उनके बेटे ने डिप्रेशन के कारण आत्महत्या कर ली थी और वो चाह कर भी कुछ कर नहीं पाए थे, जिसके लिए वो आज भी खुद को दोषी ठहराते हैं। जी हाँ, कबीर बेदी के बेटे सिद्धार्थ ने महज 26 साल की उम्र में सुसाइड कर लिया था। अपने बेटे के शव को कंधा देते हुए कबीर उस दिन बिल्कुल टूट गए थे। एक लीडिंग एंटरटेनमेंट पोर्टल से बातचीत में कबीर बेदी ने इस बात का जिक्र किया था और खुलासा भी किया था कि वो अपने बेटे के आत्महत्या की बात जानते थे, लेकिन वो उसे रोक नहीं पाए। ये दर्द आज तक उनके दिल में तीर की तरह चुभता है। However, now during a recent media interaction, the actor opened up about his memoir, Stories I Must Tell, with author Meghna Pant. The actor recalled his turbulent relationship with Parveen Babi and his late son Siddharth. He said, "In the chapter on my son, I went into the issue of mental health in deep, but it is actually the story of a father trying to prevent his son from committing suicide. Trying to hold back his emotions," Bedi said. "It moves people to tears, but I had to remain unmoved while writing this. As I relived the things I made peace with, I had to reopen those scars to write about how things panned out. My book is not written as a series of lessons. That could be another book. It is the reality of what happened." In a previous interview, Kabir Bedi had revealed that his son Siddharth Bedi battled with schizophrenia. The veteran actor shared that the family struggled to figure out what was wrong with their son, and it took them 3 years to come face to face with his schizophrenia diagnosis. He also recalled how Siddharth had a violent breakdown on Montreal streets and was controlled by as many as 8 policemen. Kabir Bedi was at his affable best as he added, "I wanted my readers to be thrilled while reading it. The effort wasn't to have any heavy debates on the issue, but it is a microscope on a problem that is seldom spoken or discussed because I was willing to share my vulnerability, pain and experience." That's how those chapters came about. Kabir Bedi and his family lost Siddharth to suicide in 1997, let us tell you. And also, in a previous interview with a leading entertainment portal, he said no matter how hard he tried, the guilt is enormous, and mentioned in the end, "I lost, he chose to go." Kabir, in his recent autobiography, Stories I Must Tell, The Emotional Life of an Actor, opened up about the highs and lows of his life, his relationships, including marriage and divorce, and much more. However, Kabir Bedi strongly believed sharing the most difficult and personal instances so that the mistakes he did won't be repeated by anyone else. Meanwhile, what are your reaction to these shocking revelations of Kabir Bedi on his son Siddharth? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, अपने पसंदीदा कलाकारों और सितारों से जुड़ी हर जानकारी और अपडेट पाने के लिए बने रहें टेली चक्कर के साथ।
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.